This is Crystal Vibes. I'm Terra Spencer. We're out walking trails today. So, let's go explore. Oh, there he is. There's a bumblebee. My trail, that's where I'm headed. Pretty skinny trail. Some boards, keep you out of the water. Let's turn. You can see, still at the pond. Haven't actually walked in the trail yet. It's already a little winded, but I haven't really seen a lot. Just a lot of geese, a lot of geese. If you like geese and geese poo, we got it. I don't know if you can see, this is a trail that goes from Chippewa Nature Center, that you can actually bike on. It goes all the way to what we call the Tridge. And so if you want to do biking, there are no pets allowed on any of these trails though, just a heads up. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you get a chance, come out to Chippewa Nature Center in Midland. It's pretty cool in Michigan.